So guys, sharing my last frontal installation video as an apprentice at my boss's place, and here it goes. Get your edge control and brush the hair backward as your first step. After brushing, get your bond. Put your bond around the forehead, and then you get your cap. I'm gonna make a video on how to wear your cap actually for installation properly. So this is not a tutorial for that. The thing is, follow the whole process of how I wear the cap, because it will be almost the same thing I'll do on my next video. So follow the process. So kindly subscribe, guys. It's a way to support me. I'll keep making video for you guys. Thank you all. So guys, create your ear top. Create your ear top. That's the next step. And I promise I will also make a proper video of how to cut your ear top properly. You don't just cut. There's always a secret to all this. After cutting your ear top, you cut off the remaining part of your lace. Go ahead and do that. Now line across your lace, like follow the pattern which you cut your lace using your foundation powder, which is what I'm doing right now. Now you get your lace glue. Use your lace glue, like trace the pattern of that powder down, follow it properly, don't make a mistake. So guys, now you lay your frontal according to how you lined it before. You follow that pattern. You have to be very careful so your hand will not like touch the glue, because once your hand touches it, it gets white and that place looks rough. So you just have to be careful. So I spray mine inside an empty container. The reason for that is so that if I'm spraying it directly on the skin, it'll have like fillers at the forehead. So I spray mine inside the container, then use a pencil, not like a writing pencil, but a pencil for lining, to then put it on top of the lace. Guys, see, I'm closing a lot for you guys. Just support me very well. Please support me, share this video, like, leave a comment of what you don't really understand concerning installation. I'm ready to help. Make sure to dry all your sprayed content, dry properly before you band, to avoid having a rough surface. But something really happened while I was installing this. We had issue with lights. So that caused a lot of damages to this installation. I won't lie, you guys. I was laying my edges, it wasn't popping. That's because of heat. She was really sweating. So make sure you have enough of hair coming in where you're working. Installation does not require heat or anything, water, just a very dry skin. You get, so band properly so as to lap, or you just lay down. So go ahead and style. I'll be making this one more short bob because the hair is short. So guys, do me well to support me. I'm begging. Support me. Subscribe, share, like this video, leave a comment. Thank you guys. See you on my next video.